Want to try something a little different today? What would you guys do next if this was your house or if you were the plumber on the job? Got a break under the ground that we just found. Take a look over here. Got everything dug up. What's your next move? What are we doing next? The break is here in the closet. It's teed off all to these risers. I got the risers exposed. This line's going straight for the bathroom in the back, which I believe there's another break over there. What are you guys doing next? Write it down in the comments. And where are you based out of?